Hi, I'm Sherwin. Today we're going to learn a dance called Float. This is choreographed by Hannah Rees or Rise. I'm not really sure and I don't want to be disrespectful to Hannah because it's a great dance. It is 4 walls, it's a high beginner, and let's see, no tags, no restarts. And that's Scully. And here we go. So we're going to move forward, step scuff. You're going to step and brush, left, right, left. So there's 4 of them. So step scuff 4 times. Your right foot is free, which leads you into a forward mambo. Step on the right, recover back, and step back on the right. Those are 3 weight changes. Right, and a coaster back on your left foot, which also has 3 weight changes. Step back, step together, step forward. That first count of 8 counts as this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So make sure that you differentiate between the mambo and the coaster. The timing is the same, the rhythm is the same, but the footwork is slightly different, okay? Second count of 8, after you finish your coaster step, you're weighted on your left foot. Your right foot is going to step forward. We're going to do a little hip bump. Right, left, right. Finish weighted on your right. Another mambo, but this time on that left foot. Rock, recover, step. A pony step, traveling back, which is also a triplet. You step here, touch your left, bring your weight back, so it looks like this. Bump, bump, bump. That's a pony. Left foot, another coaster, back, together, forward. So we have bump and bump, mambo, left, pony, right, coaster, left, right, left. From the very top, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, mambo 5 and 6, coaster 7 and 8, bump 1 and 2, mambo 3 and 4, pony 5 and 6, coaster 7 and 8. And we're halfway done. The next count of 8 is going to do a half rotation following your left shoulder. It's a little push step on this. You're basically going to touch your right toe, shift your left, touch your right, left. We call this a paddle because you're paddling off of one foot and rotating. And there's 4 of them, and each one moves an eighth to get us where we need to be. So it looks like this. It goes right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Your left foot stays where it is, and you just paddle off that right leg. So you get to 6 o'clock, you're on your left foot, side rock cross, the right foot is going to go side rock cross, and the left foot side rock cross. That looks like this. Right, left, right, left. Once again, 3 weight changes on that. That count of 8 with counts starts with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Important to know that it starts on the 1, not the and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? We are at the last count of 8. Right now we're weighted on our left foot. Our second wall is actually over there. So we've got to get all the way around. And what we're going to do, excuse me, first thing is we step to the right, tap, left, kick, back, side, front. I'll turn my back on you so you can see that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? That diagonal kick goes right across the front there. So we have right tap, step, kick, behind, side, cross. Stepping on your left foot, quarter turn forward. Step on your right foot, quarter turn. 3 little runs to get you to your new wall. Left, right, left. So it's walk, walk, run, run, run. Okay? So that last count of 8, we'll step to the right first. Step, tap, step, kick, back, weave, over, left, right, left. I'll turn my back so you can see what that would look like if we were doing that at 12 o'clock. So the right foot will go 1, 2, 3. Sorry, one more time for me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Walk 5, walk 6, walk 7 and 8. So you go 3/4 around to your left. And then you're on your left foot to start your scuff for whatever wall that you're at. And that's the whole thing. So I'm gonna go back to the beginning and we'll do 2 walls and make sure I count it for you, and then we'll go ahead and we'll do it with some music, all right? So here we go, starting with that right foot, 6, 7, 8. You have step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, 5 and 6 is your mambo, 7 and 8. Bump, 1 and 2, mambo, 3 and 4, pony, 5 and 6, coaster, 7, push it around, paddle, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, side across, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, step, 1 and 2, weave, 3 and 4, step, quarter, and 7 and 8. Yes? Should we do it at this wall? Here we go. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Mambo, 5, and 6, back, 7, and bump. 1 and 2, go 3, and pony back, 5, and 6, coaster, 7, and push it. Paddle, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Step, tap, step, kick, back. Sorry, my dog is moaning. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well, that was festive. Ta-da! So I hope that those 2 little walkthroughs helped a little bit. And we weren't distracted by my dog's moaning and rolling over. Scully is very entertaining. We're going to do this with music, okay? And as I said, there's no tags or restarts. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And always feel free to share the video and make comments. I love that, like it, that's awesome. And so I'm gonna get started. Hit the music. Here we go. Mambo coaster. Bump it. Mambo pony. Coaster. Push it around. Sidewalk cross. Step tap. Weave. Walk around, go left. Coaster, half turn, sidewalk cross, step touch, kick, weave, go left. Pony, paddle. Walk around. Like a ring of smoke, let the birds and the bees and the summer breeze carry all I
Pushing up the bank in 3, 2, 1.
Hey! Shut this off over here. All right, so that is the dance Float. I think it's a really, really fun high beginner level dance. Fun song, kind of easy to do. Remember, if you need the music to be slowed down when you're learning this on YouTube, there's that little wheel there for the settings. If you hit it, it will show you that you can change your playback speed. So if you need to slow it down, you can do that. I so appreciate you watching. Once again, please feel free to share and like and comment on the video. Scully and I both would appreciate that. Yeah, so thanks for coming. And if you're in the Los Angeles area, please make sure you look me up. That is where I teach. And I will see you on the dance floor. Take care.